Hi, I'm Dr. Dave David, and as a practicing cosmetic surgeon, I'm excited to introduce you to my powerful, clinically proven anti-aging solution called Kollagen Intensiv. Formulated using a unique patented peptide that's been clinically proven to naturally increase your skin's collagen production. Kollagen Intensiv is a viable alternative to those expensive fillers and painful injections. Look, there's no avoiding it. As you age, your skin loses collagen and elastin, which are the compounds that make your skin maintain its lifted, contoured, and youthful appearance. And it's when the collagen breaks down that you start to see fine lines and wrinkles forming. But when you add Kollagen Intensiv to your daily skincare routine, you can reverse these visible signs of aging by plumping and firming your skin, naturally reducing the appearance of even the deepest lines and wrinkles. So whether it be the lines around your mouth, your frown line, or your crow's feet, there's finally a topical daily treatment that can smooth, firm, and hydrate your skin with clinically proven peptides. So, as a cosmetic surgeon, before you resort to an expensive medical procedure, I'd encourage you to try Kollagen Intensiv. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised.